Is your thyroid in crisis? You're fatigued. You are irritable. You get too hot or too cold. You have unexplained weight gain or weight loss. Your glands are swollen in your throat and you might have several other symptoms. Hypothyroidism, underactive, and hyperthyroidism, overactive, both have different symptoms, but they have one thing in common: you don't feel right and no one seems to be able to fix your problem. Thyroid-related illnesses affect a large percentage of Americans, and many of these cases go undiagnosed. The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped gland located in the neck, in front of the trachea, the throat. It is responsible for storing and releasing the hormones that control the speed of your metabolism. If the thyroid's production of the hormones triiodothyronine, T3, and thyroxine, T4, is disrupted, a thyroid disorder can develop. The thyroid gland predominantly produces T4, which is then converted to T3, the hormone responsible for doing the major work of the thyroid. The role of the pituitary gland, located in your brain, is to produce thyroid-stimulating hormones, TSH. TSH is responsible for directing the thyroid gland how much T3 and T4 to produce. Enough of the technical jargon. The thyroid plays a critical role in your overall health, which is why you can feel full body symptoms when your thyroid isn't working properly. Blood tests check for TSH levels, confirming whether you have an underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, or an overactive thyroid, hyperthyroidism. If your blood test results indicate neither result, confusion can arise. Negative results for thyroid problems can make you begin to think that your symptoms are purely psychological, although you don't feel right. Of course, testing is important, but you should keep listening to your body. It will tell you when something is wrong. The following are some of the symptoms your body will tell you when there is a thyroid imbalance. You feel extremely fatigued. You get anxious and restless. You feel depressed and sluggish. You feel cold quite often. You sweat excessively. You have problems sleeping. You are losing your hair. You gained a lot of weight. You lost a lot of weight. You have an irregular heartbeat. Your eyeballs begin to bulge out of the socket. After seeing a doctor who run tests, you are diagnosed with hypothyroidism, an underactive thyroid. You are then given a prescription for a pharmaceutical drug called Synthroid, also known as levothyroxine. Guess what? This is a life sentence to this drug, meaning, you would have to take this drug for the rest of your life. A heck of a marketing strategy for a drug company. As a matter of fact, a great marketing strategy for any company. Here is one side effect of taking this drug, as specified by the manufacturer. Synthroid should not be used to treat obesity or weight problems. Dangerous side effects or death can occur from the misuse of Synthroid, levothyroxine, especially if you are taking any other weight loss medications or appetite suppressants. How many doctors relay this important information to their patients? Just like your car that runs on gasoline, your thyroid runs on the nutrient iodine. If your car runs out of gas, how proficient would it be at producing power? Similarly, if your thyroid runs out of its fuel, iodine, how proficient will it be at producing thyroid hormones? Kelp, a sea vegetable and a high source of iodine, is a natural and excellent source of supplemental iodine. There are other excellent sources of supplemental iodine, so do your research. The recommended daily intake of iodine is 150 mcg per day for most adults. For women who are pregnant or nursing, the requirements are higher. In fact, 1/3 of the population is at risk of deficiency, particularly those who live in areas that have only a small amount of iodine in the soil, including European countries. Some iodine-rich foods include fish, shellfish, eggs and dairy. Thank you for watching the Dr. Colin Abrams Wellness Review, on Shirley Media TV. If you enjoy watching the content of this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to alert you whenever we post new content. Thank you once again for watching and may God bless.